Squirt.
I can't do that, can you?
3 things. Stay out of my way, go to bed early, and do the dishes.
Why don't I get out of it?
I won't kill you, and I'll order pizza with the money your parents left.
Alright, just don't get green beans on the pizza. I don't like green beans.
Oh, I'll make sure I don't get green beans.
Jeffy, do the dishes. I'll order pizza. Here. Alright, all clean. I am done with the dishes, and I'm ready for pizza. What? You ate all your pizza?
Don't worry, Twerp. I saved you a piece.
What? Green beans? I hate green beans!
What kind of toy do you got there?
It's my cat piano, and it makes cat noises. Look.
Give me that.
Wait, give me my cat piano back!
Oh, I'll give it back after I break it.
Hey, get back here! Hey, stop hitting my cat piano!
Whoops.
Why would you break my cat piano?
Oh, good. Look, now you're in bed. I don't want to see your face for the rest of the night.